So the wait is finally over, as you can tell by the title in this video. So we've been contemplating for over a year and a half if we should get the Apple TV 4K, but we heard some rumors that there's a new Apple TV coming out 2021, so we waited and it's finally here. And I'm so excited to unbox it for you guys. So this is not a tech channel in no fashion or form. We just love technology, and we think this will expand and improve the TV experience for the entire family. So that's why we got it, but also because we are in the Apple ecosystem, and it should work seamlessly with the Apple TV and the iPhones, and it should work seamlessly with the HomePod. So with no further ado, let's get started. So what we love about the Apple TV is that it works seamlessly with the Apple ecosystem functionality. It's simple, it's minimalistic system, and it's so simple to use, it's minimal, and it works seamlessly with the iPad and iPhone and other Apple products. And the remote is so small and functional, not a lot of clutter, and we use the Siri remote like all the time. And if you press the buttons, you can hear that click click. We just love it. And one thing for you, if Apple, if you're watching it, please come out with a white one because that will blend in so much better. So that's it for this episode. We hope you have enjoyed this one as much as we have enjoyed producing it. Please give us a thumbs up, comment, subscribe for more videos, and we have tons of content for you guys to enjoy. So go ahead and watch it all. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.